Hi, it's me, Sarah again. I made a big mistake when planning out my dancing skeleton in the Mosaic Crochet. When you create your own pattern and draft it from other patterns, what is dimensions on one may not be the same on the other. So that's why we have to do swatches. So what is the height of my double crochets versus the width of his skull isn't exactly the same as what it originally was on the first pattern. So dude's head is turning into a kind of, I don't know, heart shaped, weird shaped, and so I gotta fix it. So that means I have to frog it. Fun times. Hate frogging him. Anyhow, I've got this circly thing and I'm looking at his head. If I put it here near his temples at the 7-inch mark and we follow that circle around as if his head was, you know, round, it would not include all of those stitches to make him a round head. So I think I've got to go back all the way to this row and frog one row at a time till I get back down to here. So I'm going to have to mark each row and remove them. And I'll take a picture so I know which rows are going to be what, because I have to take the whole thing back and then work back up again. So fun times. All right, wish me luck. Bye-bye. I happen to have a collection of sock needles, knitting needles, that up to this point have had little purpose, but it enables me to follow that 7-inch line around and mark it with sock needles. So I'm going to remove each row of the white after that point, and then he'll have a better shaped head, and then I can hopefully continue with the top half of his head in a similar fashion. And I'm going to replace those with stitch markers next.
Please hang up and try again. Please hang up and try again. The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is, please note, the new number is